Today we'll talk about, should children be allowed to watch television? The concern of mothers is beyond television only. Playing with screen, because your telephone is a screen, your computer is a screen, there are digital games which offer screens. How much time should children spend and when should they be allowed to? Obviously, we will not allow babies, but currently, of course, there are many kind of issues that even babies learn that something happens if they hit a computer, some image will come. Make sure that it doesn't go beyond a certain time, because research is saying that it's not good for eyes, it's not good for the coordination of the movement of the eyes, and moving images do mesmerize children, and sometimes they are not able to make real meaning of it. But there are certain television programs that are geared towards children. So perhaps from age 2 years, say half an hour a day, or usually children's programs are not more than 15 to 20 minutes. Even say programs like Nickelodeon or Sesame Street, they are made for 20 minutes and children watch it. But the pace is slow. In fact, it's one of the shortcomings of the program that currently children don't like to watch slow programs. But all research has indicated that if children do watch very aggressive things on the television, and television research has been done, the children are watching and the toys that are in the television program are kept for children to play with. What do after they watch they imitate the actions, they imitate. So if there is aggression on the screen, they imitate aggression. If there is new words being taught, they imitate that. So what is the content? What is children watching? What are the different things that children are watching? So what the different steps in allowing children to watch television is to see what they are watching, for how long they are watching. And the best third option is co-viewing. Be around with your child when your child is watching. That becomes shared knowledge, that becomes shared information. Co-viewing is a very, very important aspect of allowing children to watch. Never treat the television as a babysitter, that let's put the child there and the child will be taken care of. Because what is the child watching? You don't know what the child is watching, what kind of images stay in the child's mind. So it's very important to watch the content. There was a very popular program in which there had been Hindi translation. So, chudail hai and all those kind of words children were picking up. So it's very important to watch the language of the program, to watch the content of the program, and do watch together with your children what they are watching, so that you can not only to monitor what the child is doing, but also to be able to discuss, to be able to strike a conversation. Children love doing things with parents, whether it's games, whether it's going out for picnics, whether it's watching television.